Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Tessa. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Ewa Agoyin. So the main thing in this Ewa Agoyin is beans, and this is quantity of beans I'm using. So first of all, we'll make fire, and this is a simple method I use in making fire for charcoal. So when the wood has all burnt out, okay, you wait for the wood to burn out. Then after a while, you add charcoal on the surface of the wood and start fanning the fire. So The reason you fan the fire is to ensure that the heat spreads around all the coals. So you put the water you need on fire in a pot and wash the beans. So you wash the beans to remove all dirt that might be inside the beans. You wash it continuously until there are no stones or sand. So after washing the beans, you pour it into the pot and leave it on the fire for some time. And then you add salt to the beans to give it taste. So this is what the beans looks like after boiling for about 2.5 hours. So these are the ingredients we need: palm oil, crayfish, onions, Cameroon pepper, dry fish, bell pepper, chili pepper, seasoning cubes and salt. So we pound the pepper and the onions together. And then you also pound the crayfish. After pounding, you start frying the oil and adding the pepper and the onions into it to fry. So you make sure it's fried. You leave it on the fire until you are sure that it's fried. After like 5 to 10 minutes of frying, you can start adding your seasoning, the pepper, the cubes, salt, crayfish, and every other thing you want to add. So after adding everything, you stir it and leave it to fry for a while again. So earlier you must have boiled the dry fish and then you pour it into the sauce. Then the last thing you do is to add ring onions and you stir it and leave for about 2 more minutes. After that, the food is ready. Ewa Agoyin is ready. So you serve and that's all. Watch out for my next video. Thank you.